Welcome back to our Excel Mastery series. In today's tutorial, we are diving in deep into text column and data parsing technique. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned Excel user, understanding this feature can revolutionize way you handle data. So let's get started. Okay. The first thing is let's talk about two column. So this feature allows you to spill a single column of data into multiple columns based on delimiters such as comma, space, or custom characters. So let me show you how it's done. Okay. So here I have the simple data set and I want to separate with the first name and also the last name. And I want to work with the text to columns feature. Okay. First select data, like highlight the columns containing the data you want to split. Okay. Now go to the data tabs on the Excel ribbon. Click on the text to columns. Okay. So click over here and in the text column wizard select the delimiters if your data is separated by specific characters are fixed with if data consistent with. Okay. So for this tutorial I want to use delimited this one and like choose the delimited and use the Excel will provide a preview of your data will be spelled, so you can easily use this one as a comma or like a space or the comma. You can easily use it, or with other if the any or like you can easily use it, and you can just paste it over. So I want to use the spaces and review the preview to ensure data is splitting correctly. So click on the finish to complete the process. Okay, so that's how easy it is to text to columns. So but what if you need to place more complex data such as extracting specific information for a text so that's where data parsing techniques comes in handy. Okay, so here I want to use this one with this data and I want to separate like the first name and the last name and into the different columns. So let's say also you have a column with full names and also first name, last name, and you want to spell them into the separate columns. So Excel has function like left, right, mid, and find, and that can help you achieve this result. Okay, so first let's talk about the left function. Okay, so let me use this one and extract the first name. You can use the left function and this sentence is very easy. I just want to use it like here and the text and the number of characters. Okay, so here I want to use extracting or exact the first name. So let me use this one and I want to use this one. Okay, then here I will use the find functions again. Then I want to extract like between there is the spaces. So I want to use the space over here. Then within text, I want to use the text. Then I want to use the number of characters. So if I want to use this negative one, then pause it with the parenthesis. Okay. So and extract the first name from the cell A2. So here we got it the result. And if I want to just drag in here and there we found that this result only first name from our text. Okay, now let's move into the next right function and I will just want to just use it right function and extract the last name. You can use the right function. Okay, So it also the sentence is straightforward, like I can easily show the right function like the text and also the number of characters, and here I want to use the right function. And for example, I want to use this one, then next one, and I will use the len function. Okay, and here I want to use the text, this one, then again will use and the find function. Let me use the find, this one. Then I want to extract with spaces. Then with the in text, I want to use the text, then close it with the parenthesis, then close it. That also it also extract the last name from the cells with parenthesis. Okay, that hit on the OK. Now we got it the result, and I can easily drag in here. Here I now got the last name now from the full name. Okay, so now let's move into the meet functions. Okay, so the and if your data is a structure vector, you can use the meet functions to extract text from the middle of study. Okay, so and you can do like, if I gonna use like the in here, like if I say this will be the debit and out here, and now I will use meet function, and let me use for example the meet function with the equal right here, the meet function, and select this name. Then again I will use the find function, and this one, then use the spaces between the name or the text. Then within the text I want to use this text, then this time I want to use the plus one. Then again I will use the learn function. Okay, so that's it, and here I want to use this one over here, then close it, then parenthesis, and this will extract the last name from the cell A2, and here we got it the last name. But if I just take out this one, the David, and we only got the last name from there. Okay, so just dragging here, and here we got it the result with the meet function by combining this function with other Excel features like find and length. But you can press even the most complex data structure effortlessly. Okay, so and there you happy, text to column and data pressing techniques are powerful tools in your Excel. Experiment with different scenario and data formats to become a true Excel master.